everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I'm Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Supreme Court issue notice to ED over claim of correction to implicate Bhupesh Baghel. Supreme Court to hear plea on extending invitation to President Draupadi Murmu. Manipur 10th day after one killed in fresh violence. Resident without power, water after Typhoon Mawar batter US Pacific territory of Guam. Now news in detail. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the ED in response to a Chhattisgarh government application accusing the agency of coercing 52 officers of the state excise department to make a statement implicating Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and other top functionaries in an alleged liquor scam. We are not passing any order. We are asking to the ED to provide all detail. A draw over the discussion to President Draupadi Murmu be invited to inaugurate the new parliament building instead of Prime Minister Modi has led to over 20 opposition party having boycott and around 25 attending the event. Scheduled for Sunday, the draw has also sparked a debate on the role of the President and the Prime Minister Modi in the constitutional framework. A day after fresh incident of ethnic violence are reported from part of Manipur, the state returned to a sense of tenuous calm on Thursday, with the strict curfew imposed in Imphal and Bishnupur, but worried residents continue to stay indoors and business counted their losses. Senior government official in Manipur said no further violence has reported from the northeastern state on Thursday, but personnel were deployed in a strategic location to keep the Fargi peace, and more would be brought in over the next few days. Declining foreign direct investment, Ram gang short-term inflection, aggravated political turmoil post May 9, Imran Niji party instigate attack on military institution and spike in terrorist-related fatalities. The Islamic Republic of Pakistan today is a total war with itself, with constitutional institution playing part in the road. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Much of the US Western Pacific territory of Guam was without power and water on Thursday after typhoon packing, furious wind and torrential rains battered the island but caused no reported fatalities or major injuries. Guam residents were ordered to boil their water until further notice as crew repair generators damaged by Typhoon Mawar. The United States Secretary of Defense will visit India in early June to advance discussion on Butler Defense Corporation. Ali Ratner, the Assistant Secretary for Indo-Pacific Security Affairs in the Department of Defense, said on Thursday. He hinted at major announcement during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit to the US on June 2022 and expressed catalytical support for co-production and co-development of defense system to strengthen India's indigenous capability. Russia and Belarus signed a deal on Thursday formalizing the prosecutor for deploying Russian nuclear weapon on Belarusian territory. Control of the weapon will remain with Moscow. Both Russian and Belarusian officials framed the step as driven by hostility from the West in the context of extremely sharp escalation of threats on the western border of Russia and Belarus. Speaking at the right time in the IPL 2023, Rohit Sharma MIR Mumbai Indians are 2 wins away from securing their recorded extending 6th crown. Despite losing season campaigner due to injuries, Mumbai Indians live up to expectation by reaching the business end of the elite tournament. On Wednesday, Mumbai Indians thrashed Lucknow Super Giants in the IPL 2023 eliminator to keep their title hope alive. Sharing his view of the blockbuster clash between Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Titans. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.